Hey, Christina Wyatt here from Control and Compound. You might have heard the term infinite banking recently. It's getting more and more popular in the real estate community. Well, I've got Darren Mitchell here, the infinite banking guru, to tell you about it in 60 seconds.
So how does infinite banking work? Well, an infinite banking type policy is going to be high cash value. What that means is we're going to grow our cash value inside this insurance policy as fast as we can. This money is going to stay and compound tax-free for the rest of your life. But because you have that, you can leverage other money. The insurance company will loan you 90% of your cash value, but they'll loan you their money. Your money stays in the policy. Their money is automatically loaned to you. You put that money in real estate. You do some great real estate deals. You pay the loan back. You rinse and repeat. The whole time you're doing this, your money's growing completely tax-free, plus you're multiplying the money, plus you have a death benefit. When you hit retirement, what do? Now you start taking tax-free loans from the policy to top up your retirement income, an extra 50, 100 grand a year. That money, you don't pay that money back till death. Then there's a massive death benefit. The death benefit pays off the policy loans, and there's lots left over, tax-free death benefit to your family. That's infinite banking. And at Control and Compound, we are the experts at infinite banking for real estate investors. To learn more, go to controlandcompound.com.